Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a power hour. So I'm going to be going through, showing you what my house looks like, showing you what all needs to be done. I'm going to write out a list, and then I'm going to try to tackle everything in 1 hour and kind of race against the clock to see if I can get it all done. I also want to mention really quickly that today's video is a collaboration with a YouTube friend, Chelsea from Changing Chelsea, and her channel has a ton of cleaning motivation, you guys. She does so much cleaning motivation over there. She is extremely inspiring. She also does some really cool videos, like she does a lot of DIY stuff and like changing things in her house, and like she like made her own headboard and stuff like that. Like she does all kinds of cool things like that. She also did a video over there where she does a cleaning video with her husband, and I need to ask her tips on how to get my boyfriend to do that with me, because that would be awesome. So definitely make sure you go over and check out Chelsea's channel. And also I want to say quickly that if you are coming over here from Chelsea's channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do a ton of cleaning motivation over here as well. We also talk about the law of attraction on this channel. Sorry if you can hear my son in the background. We do like all sorts of like cool videos like that. I do mommy content and like routines, stuff like that. So I would love it if you would hang out with us. I'm getting extremely close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm only about 12 away right now, so I would really be excited to hit that milestone really soon. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Okay guys, so it's not too bad in the living room today. We just got to get these toys cleaned up and then tidy up the couch, probably vacuum the couch, vacuum the floors. We've got clothes and stuff on the floor from yesterday. It was raining outside, so we have rain gear on the floor and jackets because, you know, what else do you do when you walk in the house? You just toss it on the floor. And then we've got this huge basket of laundry that needs to get put away, and our bed needs to be made because I washed all the bedding, so that needs to be made. Then in the kitchen, once again, it's not too bad. We have to unload the dishwasher and put the new dishes in there, just tidy up a little bit. Okay, next we need to do a full clean of the bathroom. So that is going to be a task. And lastly, we need to get into the bedroom, just do a general tidy up. Like I said, make the bed. And then there's a load of laundry downstairs that is waiting to be folded. So that's our list. Let's set our timer and get to it. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started in the kitchen like I typically do, and I'm just going through and taking everything off the counters as best as I can, and then we're going to go and unload the dishwasher, and then of course load it back up with all the dishes that are piled up in the sink. So there's not a whole lot to do in here, but definitely enough that it did take some time. And what I realized, you guys will notice this by the end of the video, is that I did not race the clock at all because I ended up not getting everything done. So spoiler alert, I did not get everything done. But I did get quite a bit done, but I don't know if I made my list too long and I was just like thinking I was going to be faster than I was, or if I was just going like la-di-da and not even racing, because I was actually surprised at how much was left on my list.
Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever want to go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems that you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another.
And here is the clip for all of you hand washing people out there. So many people love to see dishes being hand washed. So if you're one of those people, this one's for you.
Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. Stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out.
Okay, so now we're going to move on into the bedroom, and I'm just taking apart the bed. Basically, we had just had like a bunch of random blankets on here because I was washing everything. So now I have to completely remake the bed, and I absolutely hate putting that duvet cover in putting the duvet filling into the duvet cover. That is just the worst job, and especially we have a king, so it's heavy. It's just such a pain in the butt, and I hate doing it.
I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now. Okay. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. 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 Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now.
So basically there wasn't a whole lot to do in this room. I'm just putting away some laundry right now, and then in a little while I will head over into Holden's room and put away some more laundry there. But I just wanted to give a quick little dust on some of my furniture and just put away a few things. But for the most part, this room wasn't too bad. It was mostly just the bed that needed it.
Alright guys, and now for the room that I hate the most, the bathroom. And I doubt that I'm alone when I say that I hate cleaning the bathroom the most. That's why it ends up looking like this so often, is because I hate it so much. It is just such a pain in the butt to clean. I mean, really, who likes cleaning the bathroom? Definitely not me. And I rarely film this either because I feel like, I don't know, it's just kind of gross. Like, cleaning bathrooms is gross. So I don't film myself cleaning my bathroom a whole lot, but every once in a while I'm like, okay, I should film this because I know a lot of people want motivation for cleaning their bathrooms. So let me know in the comments down below, do you enjoy seeing people cleaning their bathrooms? Like, sometimes I find it kind of gross because I mean, bathrooms are just yucky. So sometimes I don't like to watch that. So that's why I don't film it. But am I alone in that? Or do you like seeing that? Do you get motivation from that? Or are you like me and you don't really like seeing other people clean their bathrooms because it's just gross?
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh.
So fun fact, my battery died for a while, so this is actually now a couple of hours later. So what I did was I just like hit pause on my timer and I had to go and charge my battery because of course I don't have a second battery. I have one coming from Amazon, but it's taking forever, as you guys know, with shipping and everything. So it's taking a while to get things. So I had to pause my timer and then go and charge my battery so I could finish the rest of this bathroom. So I had some time to just kind of like relax and hang out for a little while I was waiting to clean. And that was just so weird. Like the life of a YouTuber when you have a cleaning channel, like you can't even finish cleaning your house if you're not filming. It's just so ridiculous.
Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me, oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up, I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me, oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up, I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, but
So I wanted to mention to you guys really quickly here before you get way too far into the video, make sure you watch the video to the end because there is such a cute clip of Holden at the very end. and he's like trying to look at our little garden. We started planting those little garden pods, you know, like those little starter kits. We started planting those a couple of days ago, and they're starting to come up, and so he wants to see it, and it's just the cutest little clip ever. So if you want some really cute Holden footage, then wait till the very end of this video. It's worth the wait, I promise.
Guess I never really had the chance to speak my mind. Never thought you would hear it. Oh, and if you run, baby, I will follow every time. I show you what I'm feeling. You got me going, can't control.
Okay, so now we're back into Holden's room, and I'm just going to put away the rest of the laundry, and then at least the laundry is almost done.
Hold me tight, keep me in the spotlight. Show me what it's all about. Just take the shot, morning's getting closer. I'm waiting on you to tell me it will be alright. Closer now, think it's time we try this out. What are you waiting for?
Okay, so now we're hitting the last room that I was able to film before my timer went off, and that is the dining room. So I got about halfway through this. I got some of Holden's toys put away and got all of those clothes put away, and I was able to vacuum. So before my timer went off and I had to stop, and then I kind of realized, I was like, oh man, I never got to touch the living room at all. But that was okay because it wasn't too bad. Like you guys saw in the beginning, I just had like some of his toys were out, and I really just wanted to vacuum the couch and spruce up the pillows and stuff, but it really wasn't that bad, and I did just continue it on later on in the evening. He was playing with his toys anyway, so to be honest with you, it probably would have been a huge fight for me to get him to stop playing with them so that I could clean them up for a video. So at the end of the day, not even worth it. But I did not make it to the living room portion of the video. But other than that, I was able to get everything else done, so I was pretty happy with my progress.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure you go over and check out Chelsea's channel. Tell her that I sent you. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! You checking them? Yeah, there's our garden. There's our garden.
A big
What do you think?
good.
It's looking good?
Top. We don't need the top on them. We don't need the top.
We don't touch though, okay? Just look.
Wow.
Pretty awesome. Hey, our plants are growing.
What's in this one too?
And look at that one too. Wow, those ones are growing too. Awesome. Are you excited to plant a garden?
Yes. But we'll baseball on them. And we eat them. Num 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 num.
Yeah. We're gonna eat all the veggies all up.
It's all them to grow.
Yeah, they're starting to grow.
And watch them grow.
Well, they don't grow very fast, honey. You're so sweet.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know